Hello everybody! Welcome to Class in the Cloud, Phonics with Teacher Simmy. Did you know there are 26 letters in the alphabet? Let's learn about one now. Here comes U. U is the 21st letter in the alphabet. U is a vowel. Let's learn the letter U sound. U goes ah. Now U. This is a capital U. This is a lowercase u. Let's learn to write the capital U. U. Let's learn to write the lowercase u. U. Let's learn some new words now. U is for uncle. Uncle. U is for umpire. Umpire. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. Let's read a story. Can you find all the U words? My uncle and the umpire both want a purple umbrella. Now you. Let's recap what we learned. Say the words. Uncle. Umpire. Umbrella. My uncle and the umpire both want a purple umbrella.
Well done, everyone. Good job. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. This is Class in the Cloud. I am Teacher Simmy. Goodbye.